Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Nasik. It is from Maharashtra. Let us discuss one by one in detail. So, firstly, there is a job opening for software developer. It is from Gravity. So, coming to qualifications, the candidates are available for full-time work from home and have relevant skills and interests and or from computer science engineering background and diploma in IT, BSc IT, NIIT in computers is required, and also 3 years of relevant experience is required to apply for this position. So coming to responsibilities, writing well designed, testable, efficient code by using best software development practices, and creating website layout or user interfaces by using standard HTML or CSS practices, and integrating data from various backend services and databases. So these are the qualifications and the responsibilities the details here. So interested candidates, if you want to apply for this position, you can check in the description for the link. Next one, there is a job opening for junior graphic designer position. It is from BSP IB Creative Solutions. So 0 to 1 year of experience is required for this position. Like fresher candidates are also eligible to apply. So education qualification would be 12th pass and any graphic designing course, graduation in the computer field, IT engineer and the other. And the candidates must know knowledge about UI or UX design, social media post, product design and package design, and others related to graphic design and web design. And you must know about 2 to 3 of them, like branding design, product design, website design, print design and publishing design, environmental design and animation design. And you should be having like knowing the languages of English, Marathi is mandatory, and Hindi. And qualities should be like patience, creativity, consistency and problem solving, always learning and able to take criticism and passion. So these are the details about this junior graphic designer position. If you are interested to apply for this position, I have provided the link in the description to apply for this position, so you can check over there. Next one, there is a job opening for business head water recycling business. So it is from Sartha Group. So they are looking for a person to develop and deliver their business idea based on the identified scope. The role holder will be the head of this business from the initiation stage. To successfully deliver the scope, one would need to have the knowledge of contemporary, both domestic and international systems and practices in the domain of wastewater treatment and recycling, and also experience in techno-commercial roles. Managerial experience of 10 to 15 years should be there, and also a degree in mechanical or any related engineering. Management education would be an added advantage for this position. So interested candidates, if you want to apply for this position, you can check in the description for the link. Next one, there is a job opening for deputy manager sales. It is from Eton. Coming to responsibilities, you need to achieve sales targets for the territory for low voltage products, map and target new customers, projects, expansions in the assigned territory, work closely with the field application engineers to make and close new business proposals and get approvals from end users and convert to OEMs, and carry out effective sales promotion activities, identify and appoint distributors able to support penetration efforts, and maintain updated intelligence on competitors, pricing, products and channel developments, and work closely with the business development team and successfully negotiate project sales. Coming to requirements, Bachelor's degree in electrical or electronics is required, and also requires product application knowledge for switch gear, ACBs, MCCBs, control products, LV drives, and soft starters, MCBs and BPTs, which boards, circuit breaker components and motor control centers, as well as working knowledge of the electrical industry, and requires solid negotiation skills and market intelligence, and minimum 6 to 12 years of field experience is required, and strong interpersonal skills should be there. So interested candidates, please go through with all the details, and if you want to know more detailed information and also to apply for this position, you can check in the description for the link. Next one, there is a job opening for telemarketer cum customer support executive position. It is from Mech Matrix. So let us discuss about the responsibilities. Like they are hiring for female candidates for online sales and marketing activities for industrial tools, and the candidates should be well versed into using MS Office, mail, and internet. And preference will be given to the candidates having knowledge or experience in digital marketing or telecalling background, and fluent spoken English and present communication is a prerequisite. And also next one, there is a job opening for client servicing. It is from Socio Mavant Media. So about the job responsibilities, like the candidates should have experience in digital marketing industry, must have knowledge of social media marketing, and also 1.5 years of experience is required, and the candidate should know the languages of Hindi and English, and must have experience in dealing with clients. So to apply for these positions mentioned here and the previous one, so if you want to apply for these job positions, the link is available in the description to apply. So you can check over there. Next one, there is a job opening for sales executive position. This from Cargill. So qualifications will be like minimum 4 years of related work experience should be there, and minimum bachelor's degree is required. So coming to responsibilities, help develop and deliver sales bids, proposals, presentations, and participate in conducting product demonstrations, help identify and contact prospective customers, and you need to build customer relationships that help generate future sales and repeat business, and apply broad theoretical job knowledge to sell directly to customers, handle complex clerical, administrative, technical, or customer support issues under minimal supervision, while escalating only the most complex issues to appropriate staff and other duties as assigned. So interested candidates, if you want to apply for this sales executive position, the link is available in the description to apply for this position, so you can go through with that.
That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section, and please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.